Hi, I'm Seth, a senior product engineer here at Zero Height. We're going to set up tokens automation so you can get your Figma styles into Zero Height and then back out into code. Let's take a look. Here we're looking at the Flapjack design system, which Zero Height uses. Now, this version of Flapjack 1.0 doesn't yet use variables. We use styles instead. So first I want to bring these styles into Zero Height. Let's create a new token set in Zero Height. I'm going to call this one Flapjack 1.0. We'll create this token set and we're going to choose Figma styles. Here we can see our Figma file, Flapjack 1.0. That's the one that we want to bring in. Zero Height has gone through each style and created tokens. This looks good, so let's continue. Now we've got our token set created. Let's set up automation. We'll click here. And let's continue. We see a list of repositories we can choose to output our tokens to. You could choose multiple. I'm just going to choose one to start off with. Here, we're asked for a file path. You can put anything you like here, but we recommend adding the .json extension. This is going to be the place where we output tokens in the W3C format. I'm going to say flapjack.json. Let's continue. Now, Zero Height is going to create the first pull request. Let's take a look at our pull request. Here you can see we've got a description, including the token set that it was created from. So if we click that, we'll go back to Zero Height. But we want to have a look at the changes that have been made. So if I go to Files Changed, we can see all of these tokens have been created by Zero Height. Now normally I'd get someone to review my changes. Since this is just me and it's the initial PR, I'm going to merge that pull request. Now let's jump back over to Zero Height. We're all complete. Our automation is set up. You can see that in the top right. Now, every time that Figma file changes and styles are changed, we can hit sync. That's going to get our new changes from our Figma file, bring them in, and then automatically create a new pull request. And then we have it. This is how we can set up tokens automation to take Figma styles into Zero Height and then push them back out to code. Thanks.